RBI keeps repo rate unchanged at 6.25%. The RBI credit policy has been announced, and the first flash is pretty much on expected lines. We'll keep getting more flashes, but this has been pretty much on expected lines. I repeat, Supriya Srinath, let's go across to her as she joins us with the details of the policy statement. And Supriya, the first flash is along expectations.
Yes, so there is no change as far as rates are concerned, but that was along expected lines that there will not be a change. The headline from here, though, is that even the RBI believes it has overshot on its inflation target. The RBI believes that it's, the word that I'm going to come to that they have used is, we are surprised with how the inflation trajectory has been. It says surprising softness. So I think the inflation target has been now revised for this year. The first half of this year has now been revised downwards from 2% to 3.5%. For the second half of this year, inflation target has been revised from 3.5% to 4.5%. Growth has been revised downwards as well to 7.3%. The RBI, and this is remember, this is not a unanimous policy decision. 5 members of the MPC were in unison with what the policy has been decided. Ravindra Dholakia was not in favor of holding rates or was not in favor of status quo. The other headline numbers, and I'll just go to inflation because I think there's a lot to talk there. The other headline things are SLR, and SLR has been reduced for all banks from 20.5% to 20%. So I think that's going to have a telling effect on most banks. There are changes that have been made to the loan to value ratios for housing loans. Those details will come up in just a bit. Remember, up to 30 lakh rupees, up to 30 lakh rupees or upwards to about 75 lakh upwards, the provisioning will have to be 0.25 percentage point. But the headline really has to be inflation and RBI's commentary on